Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, iPod adapter, leather seats, cooled seats. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.